Alright. I've been hiding in these trees, my village, for a couple weeks. I'm keeping having these dreams, some thoughts about the monkey man. And it's just, he killed my family. And I don't know what I'm gonna do, cause it's just me and Monkey Man. I think it's kind of funny sometimes. And just, what the fuck? Holy shit! What was that? Oh my god! There he is! Oh my god! Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh my god! Okay. He threw something. This is what happened last time. Then he came in and almost killed me. But I trapped him in thorn bushes. And... what was that? Where's Monkey Man? Is he over here? I'm gonna go check it out. These fucking thorns. Pieces of shit. Ah! Monkey Man's booby traps got me! Ah! Oh my god. I think I see him. Okay. It's getting really dark out. And I'm fucking scared. What was it? Oh my god. Is anyone out there? Is anyone out there? I'm gonna get out of these thorns. They're crawling up my ass. It's in my skin. It's in my skin. Oh yeah. That felt good. Really good. Sorry, I was upside down a bit. I could have sworn he just came from up there. Monkey Man, if you're out here, make a noise. Monkey Man, Double M, Eminem, yo, where are you? I know you're out here. We're the only two living civilizations of the world. Alright? You killed everyone. I don't know why you gotta kill me. Okay? Alright, I think I hear him. Okay. I don't know. He's scaring the shit out of me. I think he shot me. He shot me with a thorn. Oh, right in my ass. Oh, my ass. Oh, I got it. He hit me. Oh my god. Ow, that hit my finger. It's my finger.
Pussy?
I'm going to put him in the river. Not in the river. Ow. Okay, stop. Ow! It's cold.